940 to 1500 solved MCQs for all kind of pharmacist jobs, DRAP Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan and government jobs. Our instructions. 1. All of the MCQs have been taken from various relevant sources. Many of the questions may repeat again and again, kindly tolerate. 2. If you find any kind of error in answers, or you disagree with any of the answers, kindly discuss it in comments given under this video. 3. Do not forget to bring a wristwatch in your real exam to give equal time to all questions. 4. Read each question carefully, once or twice to understand it, then tick the right option. 5. For your other queries, you can talk to us at +92 3214042036. Majid Body Pharmacist. PharmD, MPhil, LLB. Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacists Association PPA. Let's start. Question 940. What is the primary purpose of GMP in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Ensuring product efficacy. B. Reducing production costs. C. Ensuring patient safety and product quality. D. Streamlining distribution processes. Answer. C. Ensuring patient safety and product quality. Question 941. Which regulatory authority is responsible for overseeing pharmaceutical manufacturing in Pakistan? A. WHO, World Health Organization. B. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. D. MHRA, Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. Answer. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 942. Which of the following is not a GMP requirement for pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Proper documentation of manufacturing processes. B. Regular equipment calibration and maintenance. C. Inadequate training of manufacturing personnel. D. Contamination control measures. Answer. C. Inadequate training of manufacturing personnel. Question 943. What does SOP stand for in the context of GMP? A. Standard operating procedure. B. Special order protocol. C. Safety operations plan. D. Standard observation process. Answer. A. Standard operating procedure. Question 944. Why is it essential for pharmaceutical companies to comply with GMP regulations? A. To avoid legal consequences. B. To reduce production costs. C. To improve marketing strategies. D. To ensure product quality and safety. Answer. D. To ensure product quality and safety. Question 945. The purpose of a stability testing program in pharmaceutical manufacturing is to A. Determine the shelf life of the product. B. Assess the potency of active ingredients. C. Check for microbial contamination. D. Evaluate packaging design. Answer. A. Determine the shelf life of the product. Question 946. Which of the following is an example of a critical GMP deficiency? A. Minor deviations in product labeling. B. A temporary issue with temperature control during shipping. C. Failure to investigate and address batch failures. D. Irregular cleaning schedule for manufacturing equipment. Answer. C. Failure to investigate and address batch failures. Question 947. Why is it essential to conduct validation in pharmaceutical manufacturing processes? A. To verify the accuracy of financial records. B. To ensure the efficiency of marketing strategies. C. To establish scientific evidence that a process consistently produces the intended result. D. To detect counterfeited products in the market. Answer. C. To establish scientific evidence that a process consistently produces the intended result. Question 948. Which GMP principle emphasizes the use of quality risk management to identify potential hazards and take preventive actions? A. Deviation management. B. Change control. C. Kappa corrective and preventive actions. D. Quality risk management. Answer. D. Quality risk management. Question 949. What does the P in Kappa stand for in the context of quality assurance? A. Preventive. B. Problem. C. Process. D. Product. Answer. A. Preventive. Question 950. The primary objective of a recall procedure in pharmaceutical manufacturing is to A. Prevent counterfeit products from entering the market. B. Address financial losses due to product defects. C. Retrieve and manage products that may pose health risks to consumers. D. Promote new products in the market. Answer. C. Retrieve and manage products that may pose health risks to consumers. Question 951. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, what does the term contamination refer to? A. The intentional addition of additives to improve product efficacy. B. The accidental mixture of different active pharmaceutical ingredients. C. The presence of harmful substances in the product. D. The overfilling of product containers. Answer. C. The presence of harmful substances in the product. Question 952. Which of the following is not a key element of a pharmaceutical quality management system QMS? A. Management responsibility. B. Supplier collaboration. C. Document control. D. Training and education. Answer. B. Supplier collaboration. Question 953. Which GMP requirement is related to ensuring that the manufacturing process is performed consistently and accurately? A. Quality risk management. B. Change control. C. Batch record review. D. Process validation. Answer. D. Process validation. Question 954. What is the role of a quality control QC unit in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. To manage product distribution logistics. B. To ensure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. C. To perform in-process and finished product testing. D. To handle customer complaints and feedback. Answer. C. To perform in-process and finished product testing. Question 955. Which of the following is a GMP requirement for equipment and facility management in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Regular equipment recalibration every 5 years. B. Timely maintenance of equipment without documentation. C. Using equipment beyond its designed capacity. D. Documenting equipment cleaning and maintenance activities. Answer. D. Documenting equipment cleaning and maintenance activities. Question 956. What is the purpose of a product quality review (PQR) in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. To evaluate the efficiency of the marketing department. B. To assess the performance of the manufacturing process. C. To conduct a risk assessment of potential product defects. D. To determine the appropriate pricing for pharmaceutical products. Answer. B. To assess the performance of the manufacturing process. Question 957. Which GMP principle focuses on the need for ongoing training and education of manufacturing personnel? A. Risk management. B. Change control. C. Quality risk management. D. Personnel training. Answer. D. Personnel training. Question 958. The expiry date on a pharmaceutical product indicates A. The date when the product was manufactured. B. The date after which the product may not be effective. C. The date when the product was released for distribution. D. The date when the product was registered with the regulatory authority. Answer: B. The date after which the product may not be effective. Question 959. Which GMP requirement aims to prevent unauthorized access to critical areas in a pharmaceutical facility? A. Personnel training. B. Change control. C. Security measures. D. Quality risk management. Answer: C. Security measures. Question 960. Quality assurance in pharmaceutical manufacturing primarily focuses on A. Product development. B. Customer service. C. Ensuring product quality and compliance. D. Employee training. Answer: C. Ensuring product quality and compliance. Question 961. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) guidelines are set by A. World Health Organization (WHO). B. United Nations (UN). C. International Organization for Standardization (ISO). D. Food and Drug Administration (FDA). Answer: A. World Health Organization (WHO). Question 962. Which of the following is not a fundamental element of GMP? A. Personnel. B. Premises. C. Documentation. D. Marketing strategy. Answer: D. Marketing strategy. Question 963. GMP ensures that pharmaceutical products are A. Affordable for all. B. Consistently produced and controlled. C. Highly profitable. D. Only for specific demographics. Answer: B. Consistently produced and controlled. Question 964. The primary purpose of equipment validation in pharmaceutical manufacturing is to A. Increase production speed. B. Reduce maintenance costs. C. Ensure equipment meets specifications and works as intended. D. Streamline the manufacturing process. Answer: C. Ensure equipment meets specifications and works as intended. 965. What is the main objective of process validation in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Improve worker efficiency. B. Reduce raw material costs. C. Ensure consistent product quality and performance. D. Enhance packaging methods. Answer: C. Ensure consistent product quality and performance. Question 966. What is the primary role of a quality assurance department in a pharmaceutical company? A. Sales and marketing. B. Ensuring regulatory compliance and product quality. C. Production and manufacturing. D. Research and development. Answer: B. Ensuring regulatory compliance and product quality. Question 967. Which document contains a comprehensive plan for GMP implementation within a pharmaceutical facility? A. Standard Operating Procedure (SOP). B. Master Formula Record (MFR). C. Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) Guidelines. D. Validation Protocol. Answer: A. Standard Operating Procedure (SOP). Question 968. Which GMP document governs the manufacturing steps for a specific product? A. Batch Record. B. Material Safety Data Sheet (MSDS). C. Annual Product Review (APR). D. Quality Agreement. Answer: A. Batch Record. Question 969. The abbreviation QA in the pharmaceutical industry stands for A. Quality Analysis. B. Quality Assurance. C. Qualified Auditor. D. Quantitative Assessment. Answer: B. Quality Assurance. Question 970. Which GMP principle focuses on preventing mix-ups and cross-contamination during manufacturing? A. Personnel hygiene. B. Good documentation practices (GDP). C. Equipment maintenance. D. Cleaning and sanitation. Answer: D. Cleaning and sanitation. Question 971. Why is it important to perform environmental monitoring in a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility? A. To maintain a pleasant work environment. B. To identify potential sources of contamination. C. To reduce energy consumption. D. To meet government regulations. Answer: B. To identify potential sources of contamination. Question 972. The purpose of the change control process in pharmaceutical manufacturing is to: A. Reduce production costs. B. Implement new technologies. C. Manage and document changes to processes or facilities. D. Update marketing strategies. Answer: C. Manage and document changes to processes or facilities. Question 973. Which of the following is not a GMP requirement for pharmaceutical distribution? A. Temperature-controlled storage. B. Batch-specific documentation. C. On-time delivery. D. Good housekeeping. Answer: C. On-time delivery. Question 974. The abbreviation GDP in the pharmaceutical industry stands for: A. Good documentation practices. B. Good distribution procedures. C. General drug policy. D. Global development protocol. Answer: A. Good documentation practices. Question 975. What does the R stand for in the acronym CGMP? A. Regulatory. B. Reliable. C. Required. D. Reinforced. Answer: A. Regulatory. Question 976. The purpose of an annual product review (APR) in pharmaceutical manufacturing is to: A. Assess the financial performance of a product. B. Evaluate the effectiveness of marketing strategies. C. Ensure product quality and compliance over time. D. Plan future production schedules. Answer: C. Ensure product quality and compliance over time. Question 977. Which GMP requirement ensures that only authorized personnel have access to certain areas in the manufacturing facility? A. Documentation control. B. Security measures. C. Personnel hygiene. D. Environmental monitoring. Answer: B. Security measures. Question 978. What is the primary purpose of the pest control program in a pharmaceutical facility? A. To reduce energy consumption. B. To prevent contamination from pests. C. To minimize waste generation. D. To maintain equipment functionality. Answer: B. To prevent contamination from pests. Question 979. The process of destroying all microorganisms in or on a product or packaging is called: A. Disinfection. B. Sterilization. C. Sanitization. D. Cleaning. Answer: B. Sterilization. Question 980. What is the purpose of a process flow diagram in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. To outline the marketing strategy. B. To visualize the production line layout. C. To monitor employee performance. D. To track inventory levels. Answer: B. To visualize the production line layout. Question 981. The main focus of the analytical method validation in pharmaceutical manufacturing is to: A. Establish new laboratory methods. B. Reduce the time required for quality control. C. Ensure the accuracy, precision, and reliability of analytical test results. D. Improve production efficiency. Answer. C. Ensure the accuracy, precision, and reliability of analytical test results. Question 982. Which GMP requirement ensures that pharmaceutical products are consistently produced to meet their intended use and quality requirements? A. Risk assessment. B. Quality risk management (QRM). C. Change control. D. Pharmaceutical quality system (PQS). Answer. D. Pharmaceutical quality system (PQS). Question 983. The clean room concept in pharmaceutical manufacturing refers to A. A designated area for employee breaks. B. A controlled environment with low levels of airborne particles. C. A room with bright lighting for inspection purposes. D. A storage area for raw materials. Answer. B. A controlled environment with low levels of airborne particles. Question 984. What is the primary purpose of batch numbering in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. To track the product's shelf life. B. To identify the raw material suppliers. C. To manage the manufacturing schedule. D. To test the efficacy of the drug. Answer. A. To track the product's shelf life. Question 985. Which of the following statements best defines quality assurance in the pharmaceutical industry? A. The process of ensuring that manufactured drugs meet specific standards and requirements. B. The process of inspecting and testing final products before distribution. C. The process of training manufacturing staff on good manufacturing practices (GMP). D. The process of marketing pharmaceutical products to the target audience. Answer. A. The process of ensuring that manufactured drugs meet specific standards and requirements. Question 986. What is the primary purpose of good manufacturing practices (GMP) in the pharmaceutical industry? A. To maximize profits for the manufacturing company. B. To ensure products are safe and effective for use by consumers. C. To minimize the number of manufacturing employees. D. To expedite the production process. Answer. B. To ensure products are safe and effective for use by consumers. Question 987. Which regulatory authority in Pakistan oversees the implementation of good manufacturing practices (GMP) for pharmaceuticals? A. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Regulatory Authority (PPRA). B. Drug Quality Control Authority of Pakistan (DQCAP). C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Standards Council (PMSC). Answer. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 988. What is the main purpose of a quality management system (QMS) in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. To identify cost-saving opportunities in the production process. B. To improve the company's marketing strategies. C. To ensure consistency in product quality and compliance with regulations. D. To eliminate the need for quality control testing. Answer. C. To ensure consistency in product quality and compliance with regulations. Question 989. According to GMP requirements, who is responsible for approving and releasing the final product for distribution? A. The production supervisor. B. The quality assurance manager. C. The CEO of the company. D. The marketing department. Answer. B. The quality assurance manager. Question 990. What does SOP stand for in the context of pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Standard operating procedure. B. Safety observation protocol. C. Standard output performance. D. System of operations planning. Answer. A. Standard operating procedure. Question 991. The purpose of validation in the pharmaceutical industry is to a. Verify that the packaging materials meet quality standards. B. Confirm that the manufacturing equipment is correctly calibrated. C. Ensure that the manufacturing process consistently produces quality products. D. Approve the marketing and promotional materials. Answer. C. Ensure that the manufacturing process consistently produces quality products. Question 992. Which of the following is not considered a critical area in a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility? A. Production area. B. Warehouse area. C. Quality control laboratory. D. Administrative office. Answer. D. Administrative office. Question 993. In the context of pharmaceutical manufacturing, what does IPC stand for? A. International Pharmaceutical Council. B. In process control. C. Inspection and product compliance. D. Inventory and packaging control. Answer. B. In process control. Question 994. Traceability in pharmaceutical manufacturing refers to the ability to a. Track the movement of employees within the facility. B. Trace the source of raw materials used in production. C. Recall products from the market efficiently. D. Monitor the energy consumption in the manufacturing process. Answer. B. Trace the source of raw materials used in production. Question 995. The purpose of stability testing for pharmaceutical products is to a. Determine the shelf life of the product under various conditions. B. Assess the product's taste and appearance. C. Ensure the product is safe for use by patients. D. Verify the accuracy of the product's label. Answer. A. Determine the shelf life of the product under various conditions. Question 996. Which organization provides guidelines for good manufacturing practices (GMP) to the pharmaceutical industry? A. United States Pharmacopoeia (USP). B. World Health Organization (WHO). C. International Conference on Harmonization (IC). D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Question 997. According to GMP requirements, how often should equipment used in pharmaceutical manufacturing be calibrated and qualified? A. Every 6 months. B. Every year. C. As per the manufacturer's recommendations or standard operating procedures. D. Only when new equipment is purchased. Answer. C. As per the manufacturer's recommendations or standard operating procedures. Question 998. What is the primary purpose of the change control process in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. To implement changes in marketing strategies. B. To track and document changes made to the manufacturing process or facility. C. To increase the efficiency of the manufacturing equipment. D. To assess the stability of the final product. Answer. B. To track and document changes made to the manufacturing process or facility. Question 999. The temperature and humidity conditions of pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities should be monitored and controlled to a. Ensure employee comfort during work hours. B. Extend the shelf life of the products. C. Prevent microbial growth and maintain product quality. D. Reduce energy consumption. Answer. C. Prevent microbial growth and maintain product quality. Question 1000. Which of the following statements about good distribution practices (GDP) is true? GDP guidelines only apply to the international distribution of pharmaceuticals. B. GDP focuses on ensuring the quality of the final product but not the distribution process. C. GDP ensures that pharmaceuticals are consistently stored, transported, and handled under suitable conditions. D. GDP guidelines are regulated by individual countries, and there is no international standard. Answer. C. GDP ensures that pharmaceuticals are consistently stored, transported, and handled under suitable conditions. Question 1001. The purpose of a deviation report in pharmaceutical manufacturing is to document any departure from established procedures and investigate the root cause. B. Report accidents or injuries that occur during the manufacturing process. C. Document the arrival of new raw materials in the production area. D. Record the daily production output of the facility. Answer. Document any departure from established procedures and investigate the root cause. Question 1002. What is the primary purpose of the master batch record in pharmaceutical manufacturing? To record the batch number of each product for inventory purposes. B. To document the raw materials used in the production process. C. To provide step-by-step instructions for the manufacturing of a specific product batch. D. To track the distribution of finished products to different regions. Answer. C. To provide step-by-step instructions for the manufacturing of a specific product batch. Question 1003. Which of the following is an example of a critical documentation in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Employee attendance records. B. Product marketing brochures. C. Batch manufacturing record. D. Customer feedback forms. Answer. C. Batch manufacturing record. Question 1003. Pharmacovigilance is primarily concerned with A. Drug manufacturing. B. Drug efficacy. C. Drug safety. Correct answer. D. Drug marketing. Question 1004. Which of the following best defines an adverse drug reaction ADR? A. A known side effect of a drug. B. Any undesirable effect of a drug. Correct answer. C. A beneficial outcome of a drug. D. A drug with high potency. Question 1005. The purpose of pharmacovigilance is to A. Accelerate drug approvals. B. Monitor drug prices. C. Identify, evaluate, and prevent ADRs. Correct answer. D. Promote drug advertising. Question 1006. Who is responsible for reporting adverse drug reactions to regulatory authorities? A. Healthcare professionals. Correct answer. B. Drug manufacturers. C. Patients. D. All of the above. Question 1007. What is the primary goal of a pharmacovigilance system? A. Promote off-label drug use. B. Improve drug efficacy. C. Monitor and ensure drug quality. D. Detect and manage ADRs. Correct answer. Question 1008. The WHO defines pharmacovigilance as A. The study of drug interactions. B. Ensuring drug affordability. C. Monitoring drug utilization. D. The science and activities relating to detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of ADRs. Correct answer. Question 1009. Which of the following is an example of a serious ADR? A. Mild headache. B. Temporary drowsiness. C. Nausea and vomiting. D. Anaphylaxis. Correct answer. Question 1010. The term signal in pharmacovigilance refers to A. A flag raised by drug manufacturers. B. An alert indicating potential new ADRs. Correct answer. C. An official warning from regulatory authorities. D. A marketing strategy for drugs. Question 1011. Who can submit individual case safety reports ICSRs? A. Only healthcare professionals. B. Only patients. C. Healthcare professionals, patients, and drug manufacturers. Correct answer. D. Only drug manufacturers. Question 1012. The primary database for reporting ADRs in Pakistan is A. DRAP ADR. B. PV Pakistan. C. PVAE Pakistan Vigilance Adverse Event. Correct answer. D. ADREMS Adverse Drug Reaction Monitoring System. Question 1013. What is the responsibility of an assistant director in a pharmacovigilance setting? A. Conduct clinical trials. B. Manage drug distribution. C. Oversee the pharmacovigilance system and processes. Correct answer. D. Promote drug marketing. Question 1014. Which of the following is not a phase of the pharmacovigilance process? A. Data collection. B. Signal detection. C. Drug discovery. D. Signal management. Correct answer. Question 1015. The term benefit risk assessment in pharmacovigilance refers to A. Evaluating drug pricing. B. Assessing drug manufacturing processes. C. Balancing the positive effects of a drug against its potential risks. Correct answer. D. Comparing drug efficacy in different populations. Question 1016. A safety concern that requires immediate action is called A. Adverse event. B. Signal. C. Critical safety issue. Correct answer. D. Side effect. Question 1017. In pharmacovigilance, the acronym ADR stands for A. Advanced drug reporting. B. Adverse drug reaction. Correct answer. C. Active drug recovery. D. Acute drug response. Question 1018. The purpose of periodic safety update reports PSURs is to A. Promote drug advertising. B. Monitor drug prices. C. Provide regular updates on drug efficacy. D. Review and assess the safety profile of a drug. Correct answer. Question 1019. Which of the following is not a pharmacovigilance system in Pakistan? A. ADREMS. B. PVAE. C. PV Pakistan. Correct answer. D. DRAP ADR. Question 1020. MedWatch is a pharmacovigilance program run by A. World Health Organization WHO. B. U.S. Food and Drug Administration FDA. Correct answer. C. European Medicines Agency EMA. D. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1021. Which of the following is an example of a pre-approval safety concern? A. Drug-drug interaction during treatment. B. A known side effect of the drug. C. Potential liver toxicity in animal studies. Correct answer. D. Medication non-adherence in patients. Question 1022. The process of systematically reviewing and analyzing safety data to identify potential risks is called A. Signal detection. Correct answer. B. Risk management. C. Signal management. D. Benefit risk assessment. Question 1023. The CIOMS Council for International Organizations of Medical Sciences form is used for A. Drug registration. B. Signal detection. C. Reporting serious ADRs. Correct answer. D. Drug importation. Question 1024. Which of the following regulatory bodies oversees pharmacovigilance activities in Pakistan? A. DRAP. Correct answer. B. FDA. C. WHO. D. EMA. Question 1025. A black triangle symbol on a drug's packaging indicates A. The drug is experimental and not for public use. B. The drug is under patent protection. C. The drug is subject to additional monitoring because it is newly approved. Correct answer. D. The drug can only be prescribed by specialists. Question 1026. In pharmacovigilance, the term patient exposure refers to A. The number of patients in clinical trials. B. The total number of patients using a drug. Correct answer. C. The amount of time a patient is exposed to a drug. D. The patient's age and gender distribution. Question 1027. Which of the following is a spontaneous reporting system for ADRs? A. ADREMS. B. Vigilance. C. VigiBase. Correct answer. D. PVAE. Question 1028. The double false system in pharmacovigilance means A. Duplicating data entry for verification. B. Ensuring that false reports are not submitted. C. Falsely reporting adverse events for unknown drugs. D. Independent review of false positive and false negative signals. Correct answer. Question 1031. What is pharmacovigilance? A. The study of drug interactions. B. The study of drug effectiveness. C. The study of drug safety. Correct answer. D. The study of drug development processes. Question 1032. Adverse drug reaction ADR refers to A. Any negative effect of a drug. B. The intended effect of a drug. C. The manufacturing process of a drug. D. Any unwanted effect of a drug that occurs at normal doses for therapeutic use. Correct answer. Question 1033. Pharmacovigilance aims to A. Promote drug usage without restrictions. B. Ensure that only generic drugs are available. C. Identify, assess, and prevent ADRs. Correct answer. D. Monitor drug pricing regulations. Question 1034. Which of the following is not a source of adverse drug reaction reporting? A. Healthcare professionals. B. Patients. Correct answer. C. Pharmaceutical companies. D. Regulatory authorities. Question 1035. The process of systematically gathering and assessing information on adverse effects of drugs is known as A. Drug development. B. Clinical trials. C. Post-marketing surveillance. Correct answer. D. Drug distribution. Question 1036. The World Health Organization (WHO) established which program to collect, analyze, and disseminate information about drug safety? A. FDA's MedWatch. B. UDRA Vigilance. C. VigiBase. D. The Uppsala Monitoring Center's UMC WHO Program for International Drug Monitoring. Correct answer. Question 1037. Which of the following is not one of the phases of clinical trials? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Correct answer. Question 1038. Which term describes a serious adverse reaction that can lead to death, life-threatening situations, or hospitalization? A. Unexpected adverse reaction. B. Severe adverse drug reaction. C. Serious adverse drug reaction. Correct answer. D. Common adverse drug reaction. Question 1039. Which organization regulates pharmacovigilance activities in Pakistan? A. World Health Organization (WHO). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Correct answer. C. United States Food and Drug Administration (FDA). D. European Medicines Agency (EMA). Question 1040. The primary objective of the Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee (PRAC) is to A. Monitor drug prices. B. Review clinical trial data. C. Assess and manage risks associated with medicinal products. Correct answer. D. Approve new drug applications. Question 1041. What is the purpose of the MEDRA Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities Terminology? A. To standardize drug names. B. To classify medical devices. C. To facilitate ADR reporting. D. To provide a standardized medical terminology for ADR coding. Correct answer. Question 1042. The process of detecting an increase in the frequency of a known adverse drug reaction is called A. Signal detection. Correct answer. B. Risk assessment. C. Case processing. D. Causality assessment. Question 1043. Which type of adverse drug reaction is predictable based on the known pharmacological action of a drug? A. Type A. Augmented. Correct answer. B. Type B. Bizarre. C. Type C. Chronic. D. Type D. Delayed. Question 1044. Which regulatory authority is responsible for the approval of new drugs in Pakistan? A. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. B. EMA, European Medicines Agency. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Correct answer. D. MHRA, Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. Question 1045. What is the purpose of a Periodic Safety Update Report (PSUR)? A. To monitor the sales of a drug. B. To update the drug's packaging information. C. To provide information on a drug's safety profile at regular intervals. Correct answer. D. To request permission for conducting clinical trials. Question 1046. A serious and unexpected adverse reaction to a drug that is not consistent with the known safety profile is called A. Major adverse drug reaction. B. Type C adverse drug reaction. C. Type B adverse drug reaction. Correct answer. D. Type D adverse drug reaction. Question 1047. Which of the following is not a component of a pharmacovigilance system? A. Adverse drug reaction reporting. B. Signal detection. C. Market research. D. Risk management. Correct answer. Question 1048. What is the purpose of risk management plans in pharmacovigilance? A. To prevent drug counterfeiting. B. To manage financial risks for pharmaceutical companies. C. To minimize the risk of harm from a drug. Correct answer. D. To regulate drug imports and exports. Question 1049. Which regulatory action may be taken if a drug's benefits outweigh its risks? A. Withdrawal of the drug from the market. B. Suspension of the drug's marketing authorization. Correct answer. C. Introduction of a new dosage form. D. Inclusion of additional indications for the drug. Question 1050. The use of big data and real-world evidence in pharmacovigilance is known as A. Clinical data analysis. B. Real-world surveillance. C. Real-world data mining. D. Real-world pharmacovigilance. Correct answer. Question 1051. A pharmacovigilance inspection conducted by regulatory authorities to ensure compliance with pharmacovigilance regulations is called a risk assessment. B. Signal detection. C. Adverse event reporting. D. Pharmacovigilance audit. Correct answer. Question 1052. Which organization maintains the VIGI-base, the largest global database of individual case safety reports ICSRs? A. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. B. EMA, European Medicines Agency. C. WHO, World Health Organization. Correct answer. D. IC, International Council for Harmonization. Question 1053. The causality assessment of adverse drug reactions involves A. Identifying the reporter of the ADR. B. Assessing the severity of the ADR. C. Establishing a causal relationship between the drug and the adverse event. Correct answer. D. Evaluating the efficacy of the drug. Question 1054. Which of the following statements is true about the yellow card scheme? A. It is a global pharmacovigilance system. B. It is primarily used in the United States. C. It is a spontaneous reporting system used in the UK. Correct answer. D. It focuses on adverse drug reaction prevention. Question 1055. In pharmacovigilance, the term off-label use refers to A. The use of a drug without a prescription. B. The use of a drug outside its approved indications. Correct answer. C. The use of a drug in clinical trials. D. The use of a drug for recreational purposes. Question 1056. What is the primary purpose of pharmacovigilance? A. To promote new drugs. B. To regulate drug prices. C. To ensure drug safety and monitor adverse reactions. D. To encourage off-label drug use. Answer. C. To ensure drug safety and monitor adverse reactions. Question 1057. Which of the following is an adverse drug reaction ADR? A. Expected drug effect. B. Therapeutic dose response. C. Drug efficacy. D. Drug allergy. Answer. D. Drug allergy. Question 1058. Pharmacovigilance primarily deals with monitoring which type of drug-related events? A. Drug efficacy. B. Drug interactions. C. Medication errors. D. Adverse drug reactions. Answer. D. Adverse drug reactions. Question 1059. What is the purpose of the Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee (PRAC)? A. To conduct clinical trials for new drugs. B. To approve new drug applications. C. To evaluate drug safety issues and make recommendations. D. To set drug prices in the market. Answer. C. To evaluate drug safety issues and make recommendations. Question 1060. In pharmacovigilance, the term signal refers to A. An unexpected adverse reaction. B. A marketing strategy for new drugs. C. The smallest unit of a drug molecule. D. An indication of potential safety concern. Answer. D. An indication of potential safety concern. Question 1061. Which of the following is not a goal of pharmacovigilance? A. To identify previously unknown adverse drug reactions. B. To encourage the use of new drugs in the market. C. To assess the benefits and risks of medications. D. To improve patient safety. Answer. B. To encourage the use of new drugs in the market. Question 1062. The yellow card scheme is used for pharmacovigilance in which country? A. United States. B. United Kingdom. C. Canada. D. Australia. Answer. B. United Kingdom. Question 1063. Who can report adverse drug reactions in pharmacovigilance? Only healthcare professionals. B. Only patients. C. Only drug manufacturers. D. Healthcare professionals, patients, and drug manufacturers. Answer. D. Healthcare professionals, patients, and drug manufacturers. Question 1064. What is the recommended period for reporting serious adverse drug reactions? A. Within 24 hours of occurrence. B. Within 7 days of occurrence. C. Within 30 days of occurrence. D. Within 90 days of occurrence. Answer. A. Within 24 hours of occurrence. Question 1065. The process of collecting, monitoring, researching, assessing, and evaluating information from healthcare providers and patients regarding the adverse effects of medications is called A. Pharmacokinetics. B. Pharmacodynamics. C. Pharmacovigilance. D. Pharmacoepidemiology. Answer. C. Pharmacovigilance. Question 1066. Which of the following is an example of a pharmacovigilance system? A. National Center for Biotechnology Information (NCBI). B. European Medicines Agency (EMA). C. Food and Drug Administration (FDA). D. World Health Organization (WHO). Answer. B. European Medicines Agency (EMA). Question 1067. Which phase of clinical trials is primarily focused on detecting adverse drug reactions? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. D. Phase 4. Question 1068. Which regulatory authority oversees pharmacovigilance activities in Pakistan? A. FDA. B. EMA. C. DRAP. D. WHO. Answer. C. DRAP. Question 1069. What is the role of an assistant director in pharmacovigilance? A. Conducting clinical trials. B. Reporting adverse drug reactions. C. Managing drug manufacturing facilities. D. Enforcing drug patents. Answer. B. Reporting adverse drug reactions. Question 1070. Which of the following is an example of a common data source for pharmacovigilance? A. Electronic health records (EHRs). B. Social media comments. C. TV advertisements. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Question 1071. The primary objective of periodic safety update reports (PSURs) is to A. Advertise new drugs. B. Monitor drug prices. C. Assess the benefit-risk balance of a drug over time. D. Review drug manufacturing processes. Answer. C. Assess the benefit-risk balance of a drug over time. Question 1072. What is the key purpose of good pharmacovigilance practices (GVP? A. To improve drug marketing strategies. B. To ensure that healthcare professionals receive financial incentives. C. To establish standards for pharmacovigilance activities. D. To promote off-label drug use. Answer. C. To establish standards for pharmacovigilance activities. Question 1073. Which of the following is not a common method of pharmacovigilance data collection? A. Clinical trials. B. Spontaneous reporting. C. Prescription monitoring. D. Marketing analysis. Answer. D. Marketing analysis. Question 1074. ADR reporting forms should ideally include all the following information except A. Name and contact details of the reporter. B. Patient's name and social security number. C. Suspected drug name and dose. D. Description of the adverse reaction. Answer. B. Patient's name and social security number. Question 1075. Which international program promotes global collaboration in pharmacovigilance? A Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee (PRAC). B. MedWatch. C. VigiBase. D. Yellow Card Scheme. Answer: C. VigiBase. Question 1076. A patient taking a medication experiences severe, unexpected liver toxicity. What should the healthcare professional do in this situation? A. Ignore the reaction if it is mild and self-limiting. B. Report the adverse reaction to the regulatory authority. C. Switch to a different medication without further action. D. Provide the patient with pain relief medication. Answer: B. Report the adverse reaction to the regulatory authority. Question 1077. Which term is used to describe an unintended response to a drug that occurs at doses normally used in humans for the treatment of a disease? A. Allergy. B. Side effect. C. Toxicity. D. Tolerance. Answer: B. Side effect. Question 1078. Which of the following regulatory actions can be taken based on the findings of pharmacovigilance data? A. Revise drug prices. B. Recall the drug from the market. C. Promote off-label drug use. D. Extend the drug's patent. Answer: B. Recall the drug from the market. Question 1079. What is the significance of a "Dear Healthcare Professional" letter in pharmacovigilance? A. To promote a new drug. B. To inform healthcare professionals about upcoming conferences. C. To communicate important safety information regarding a drug. D. To offer discounts on medication purchases. Answer: C. To communicate important safety information regarding a drug. Question 1080. Which of the following is the primary authority responsible for drug registration in Pakistan? A. WHO. B. FDA. C. EMA. D. DRAP. Answer: D. DRAP. Question 1081. What does DRAP stand for? A. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. B. Drug Registration and Approval Process. C. Drug Registration and Authorization Program. D. Drug Regulation and Approval Protocol. Answer: A. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1082. The process of evaluating and approving a new drug for marketing and sale is called A. Drug Authorization. B. Drug Accreditation. C. Drug Registration. D. Drug Certification. Answer: C. Drug Registration. Question 1083. Which of the following steps comes first in the drug registration process? A. Clinical trials. B. Dossier submission. C. Pre-clinical studies. D. Market authorization. Answer: C. Pre-clinical studies. Question 1084. What is the purpose of preclinical studies during drug registration? A. To assess drug efficacy in humans. B. To test the drug on a small patient population. C. To identify potential risks and side effects. D. To determine the drug's market value. Answer: C. To identify potential risks and side effects. Question 1085. The phase of drug development that involves testing the drug on healthy volunteers is A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer: A. Phase 1. Question 1086. Which phase of drug development involves a larger patient population and evaluates the drug's efficacy and safety? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer: C. Phase 3. Question 1087. What is the purpose of Phase 4 clinical trials? A. To monitor long-term effects of the drug. B. To obtain initial safety data. C. To identify drug interactions. D. To test the drug in a controlled setting. Answer. To monitor long-term effects of the drug. Question 1088. Which document serves as a comprehensive data package about the drug, intended for regulatory review? A clinical report. B. Investigator's brochure. C. Drug Master File (DMF). D. Drug Registration Dossier. Answer. D. Drug Registration Dossier. Question 1089. What is the purpose of the investigator's brochure in the drug registration process? To provide information about the drug's manufacturer. B. To outline the drug's marketing strategy. C. To summarize the results of clinical trials. D. To provide comprehensive information about the drug's safety and efficacy. Answer. D. To provide comprehensive information about the drug's safety and efficacy. Question 1090. Which step involves the submission of the drug registration application to the regulatory authority? A. Dossier review. B. Dossier preparation. C. Dossier submission. D. Dossier approval. Answer. C. Dossier submission. Question 1091. After the dossier submission, the regulatory authority evaluates the drug's safety, efficacy, and quality during A. Dossier approval. B. Dossier review. C. Dossier preparation. D. Dossier assessment. Answer. B. Dossier review. Question 1092. The process of verifying the accuracy, completeness, and quality of the dossier is called A. Dossier review. B. Dossier approval. C. Dossier assessment. D. Dossier validation. Answer. A. Dossier review. Question 1093. What is the usual time limit for regulatory authorities to complete the dossier review and provide feedback? A. 30 days. B. 60 days. C. 90 days. D. 120 days. Answer. C. 90 days. Question 1094. If the regulatory authority finds deficiencies in the dossier, what is the typical action taken? A. Rejection of the application. B. Approval of the application with conditions. C. Extension of the review period. D. Refund of the registration fees. Answer. C. Extension of the review period. Question 1095. The process by which a regulatory authority formally approves the drug for marketing and sale is called A. Drug validation. B. Market authorization. C. Drug sanctioning. D. Product endorsement. Answer. B. Market authorization. Question 1096. Which authority issues the market authorization for the drug in Pakistan? A. WHO. B. FDA. C. EMA. D. DRAP. Answer. D. DRAP. Question 1097. What is the validity period of the market authorization in Pakistan? A. 1 year. B. 3 years. C. 5 years. D. 10 years. Answer. C. 5 years. Question 1098. Which of the following is not a part of the drug registration dossier? A. Clinical trial data. B. Pharmacovigilance plan. C. Marketing strategy. D. Manufacturing details. Answer. C. Marketing strategy. Question 1099. The process of renewing the drug registration after its validity period expires is known as A. Re-registration. B. Registration update. C. Market renewal. D. Renewed authorization. Answer. A. Re-registration. Question 1100. What is the primary purpose of post-marketing surveillance of drugs? A. To assess the drug's efficacy. B. To identify potential side effects. C. To expand the drug's market reach. D. To gather preclinical data. Answer. B. To identify potential side effects. Question 1101. The process of preparing a new drug for human clinical trials is called A. Preclinical studies. B. Investigational new drug IND application. C. Clinical data compilation. D. Phase 1 clinical trial. Answer. B. Investigational new drug IND application. Question 1102. What is the purpose of the Common Technical Document (CTD) in the drug registration process? A. To provide information on clinical trials. B. To facilitate international drug approvals. C. To summarize post-marketing surveillance data. D. To detail the drug's manufacturing process. Answer. B. To facilitate international drug approvals. Question 1103. The phase of drug development that typically involves testing the drug on a larger patient population is A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. C. Phase 3. Question 1104. Which step of the drug registration process focuses on gathering data on the drug's safety and efficacy in humans? A. Preclinical studies. B. Phase 1 clinical trials. C. Dossier submission. D. Market authorization. Answer. B. Phase 1 clinical trials. Question 1104. What is the primary purpose of the drug registration process? A. To ensure proper labeling of drugs. B. To assess the safety and efficacy of drugs before marketing. C. To establish drug prices in the market. D. To control drug distribution channels. Answer. B. To assess the safety and efficacy of drugs before marketing. Question 1105. Which authority in Pakistan oversees the drug registration process? A. Pakistan Medical Commission. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Council. D. Ministry of Health. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1106. What is the first step in the drug registration process? A. Clinical trials. B. Dossier submission. C. Market authorization. D. Preclinical studies. Answer. D. Preclinical studies. Question 1107. What is the purpose of preclinical studies during drug registration? A. To test the drug on a small group of patients. B. To assess the drug's effectiveness in real-world scenarios. C. To evaluate the drug's safety and efficacy in animals or in vitro. D. To determine the drug's shelf life. Answer. C. To evaluate the drug's safety and efficacy in animals or in vitro. Question 1108. What does the term dossier refer to in the drug registration process? A folder containing patient testimonials. B. A collection of drug recipes from various manufacturers. C. A comprehensive document containing all relevant information about the drug. D. A list of potential side effects of the drug. Answer. C. A comprehensive document containing all relevant information about the drug. Question 1109. Who is responsible for preparing the drug dossier? A. Drug manufacturers. B. Regulatory authorities. C. Healthcare providers. D. Patients. Answer. A. Drug manufacturers. Question 1110. How is the dossier submission date determined in the drug registration process? A. By the marketing department of the drug company. B. By the regulatory authority's scheduling team. C. By mutual agreement between the drug company and the regulatory authority. D. Dossiers are submitted without a specific date. Answer. C. By mutual agreement between the drug company and the regulatory authority. Question 1111. Which section of the drug dossier provides detailed information about the drug's composition and manufacturing process? A. Clinical data. B. Pharmacology and toxicology. C. Chemistry and manufacturing. D. Regulatory status in other countries. Answer. C. Chemistry and manufacturing. Question 1112. What is the role of the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) in the drug registration process? A. Conduct clinical trials on behalf of drug manufacturers. B. Issue marketing authorization for all drugs automatically. C. Review and evaluate the submitted drug dossier. D. Determine drug prices in the market. Answer. C. Review and evaluate the submitted drug dossier. Question 1113. What happens if the submitted drug dossier is incomplete or inadequate? A. The drug registration process is terminated. B. The drug company is fined. C. The regulatory authority requests additional information or rejects the application. D. The drug is automatically approved for marketing. Answer. C. The regulatory authority requests additional information or rejects the application. Question 1114. What is the purpose of the clinical trial phase during drug registration? A. To determine the drug's shelf life. B. To study the drug's effects on animals. C. To evaluate the drug's safety and effectiveness in humans. D. To register the drug for sale in other countries. Answer. C. To evaluate the drug's safety and effectiveness in humans. Question 1115. In Pakistan, which phase of clinical trials must be completed before applying for drug registration? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. C. Phase 3. 1116. How many phases are there in the clinical trial process? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Answer. B. 4. Question 1117. Who reviews the clinical trial data during the drug registration process? A. Drug distributors. B. Independent Ethics Committee. C. Medical sales representatives. D. Pharmacy owners. Answer. B. Independent Ethics Committee. Question 1118. Which type of drug can undergo an expedited review process during registration? A. Drugs for chronic conditions. B. Over-the-counter drugs. C. Generic drugs. D. Orphan drugs for rare diseases. Answer. D. Orphan drugs for rare diseases. Question 1119. What is the maximum time frame for the regulatory authority to complete the drug registration process in Pakistan? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 5 years. Answer. B. 2 years. Question 1120. After the successful completion of the drug registration process, what does the regulatory authority issue to the drug manufacturer? A. Drug license for manufacturing. B. Marketing authorization certificate. C. Drug registration number. D. Approval for clinical trials. Answer. C. Drug registration number. Question 1121. Once a drug is registered, can the manufacturer make changes to its formulation without notifying the regulatory authority? A. Yes, as long as the changes improve the drug's efficacy. B. Yes, for minor changes only. C. No, all changes must be communicated and approved by the regulatory authority. D. No, changes can only be made during the preclinical phase. Answer. C. No, all changes must be communicated and approved by the regulatory authority. Question 1122. Which department within the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) is responsible for the drug registration process? A. Department of Drug Manufacturing. B. Department of Clinical Trials. C. Department of Quality Control. D. Department of Registration and Licensing. Answer: D. Department of Registration and Licensing. Question 1123. What is the purpose of post-marketing surveillance after drug registration? A. To ensure the drug remains affordable in the market. B. To monitor and evaluate the drug's safety and efficacy in real-world use. C. To approve additional indications for the drug. D. To collect revenue from drug sales. Answer: B. To monitor and evaluate the drug's safety and efficacy in real-world use. Question 1124. Which of the following is not a step in the drug registration process? A. Preclinical studies. B. Clinical trials. C. Dossier review by pharmaceutical sales representatives. D. Post-marketing surveillance. Answer: C. Dossier review by pharmaceutical sales representatives. Question 1125. What is the purpose of the abbreviated new drug application (ANDA) in the drug registration process? A. To register new drugs with a simplified process. B. To request an extension for drug patent protection. C. To import drugs from other countries without registration. D. To register generic versions of already approved drugs. Answer: D. To register generic. Question 1126. What is the purpose of the drug registration process? A. To legalize recreational drugs. B. To ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceutical products. C. To limit the availability of essential medications. D. To expedite drug distribution. Answer: B. To ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceutical products. Question 1127. Which organization is responsible for drug registration in Pakistan? A. WHO. B. FDA. C. DRAP. D. EMA. Answer: C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1128. The drug registration process involves A. Only evaluating the drug's efficacy. B. Ensuring marketing strategy alignment. C. Reviewing the drug's safety and efficacy. D. Promoting pharmaceutical companies. Answer: C. Reviewing the drug's safety and efficacy. Question 1129. What is the first step in the drug registration process? A. Clinical trials. B. Preclinical studies. C. Dossier preparation. D. Drug manufacturing. Answer: B. Preclinical studies. Question 1130. Which of the following is not a part of the dossier submission? A. Chemistry, manufacturing, and control (CMC) data. B. Preclinical data. C. Marketing strategy. D. Clinical trial data. Answer: C. Marketing strategy. Question 1131. The purpose of preclinical studies is to A. Test the drug on humans. B. Assess the drug's pharmacokinetics. C. Determine the drug's formulation. D. Evaluate the drug's safety in animals. Answer: D. Evaluate the drug's safety in animals. Question 1132. Phase 1 clinical trials involve A. Testing the drug on a small group of healthy volunteers. B. Gathering post-marketing data. C. Large-scale clinical trials. D. Reviewing the dossier. Answer: A. Testing the drug on a small group of healthy volunteers. Question 1133. Which phase of clinical trials provides information about the drug's efficacy and safety in a larger patient population? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. C. Phase 3. Question 1134. What is the purpose of the Common Technical Document (CTD) in the dossier preparation? A. To market the drug globally. B. To provide regulatory authorities with a standardized format for reviewing drug information. C. To advertise the drug to the public. D. To facilitate drug pricing negotiations. Answer. B. To provide regulatory authorities with a standardized format for reviewing drug information. Question 1135. Which regulatory authority is responsible for evaluating the drug's safety and efficacy in the drug registration process? A. Ministry of Health. B. National Pharmaceutical Council. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. International Medical Council. Answer. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1136. What is the purpose of a bioequivalence study during drug registration? A. To assess the drug's potential side effects. B. To determine the drug's shelf life. C. To compare the drug's pharmacokinetic profile with a reference product. D. To evaluate the drug's formulation. Answer. C. To compare the drug's pharmacokinetic profile with a reference product. Question 1137. Once the dossier is submitted, the regulatory authority evaluates it within A. 6 months. B. 12 months. C. 24 months. D. 36 months. Answer. B. 12 months. Question 1138. What is the next step if the drug registration application is approved? A. Market the drug immediately. B. Conduct post-marketing surveillance. C. File for patent protection. D. Share the drug's formula with other companies. Answer. B. Conduct post-marketing surveillance. Question 1139. What does post-marketing surveillance refer to in the drug registration process? A. Testing the drug on animals. B. Monitoring the drug's performance and safety after it's on the market. C. Evaluating the drug's efficacy in clinical trials. D. Ensuring compliance with pricing regulations. Answer. B. Monitoring the drug's performance and safety after it's on the market. Question 1140. If a drug registration application is rejected, the company can A. Resubmit the application with additional data or explanations. B. Bribe the regulatory authority for approval. C. File a lawsuit against the regulatory authority. D. Market the drug without approval. Answer. A. Resubmit the application with additional data or explanations. Question 1141. The drug registration process aims to A. Limit access to essential medications. B. Ensure drug safety, efficacy, and quality. C. Expedite drug distribution for financial gain. D. Allow any drug to be sold without restrictions. Answer. B. Ensure drug safety, efficacy, and quality. Question 1142. Which of the following is not a part of the drug registration dossier? A. Clinical trial data. B. CMC data. C. Marketing brochures. D. Bioequivalence data. Answer. C. Marketing brochures. Question 1143. During which phase of clinical trials are the drug's adverse effects closely monitored? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. D. Phase 4. Question 1144. The Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) falls under which ministry? A. Ministry of Health. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Industry and Production. D. Ministry of Education. Answer. A. Ministry of Health. Question 1145. Which regulatory body oversees drug registration at the international level? A. WHO. B. EMA. C. FDA. D. DRAP. Answer. A. WHO. Question 1146. What is the primary objective of a clinical trial in drug development? A. To establish a marketing strategy. B. To test the drug's safety and efficacy in humans. C. To determine the drug's shelf life. D. To finalize the drug's formulation. Answer. B. To test the drug's safety and efficacy in humans. Question 1147. What is the role of the Drug Registration Board in the drug registration process? A. Evaluating the clinical trial data. B. Approving drug manufacturing facilities. C. Conducting post-marketing surveillance. D. Assessing the bioequivalence studies. Answer. A. Evaluating the clinical trial data. Question 1148. Which phase of clinical trials involves a comparison of the new drug against a placebo or standard treatment? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. C. Phase 3. Question 1149. What is the purpose of the expert committee in the drug registration process? A. To evaluate the drug's marketing potential. B. To review the drug's formulation. C. To assess the drug's safety and efficacy data. D. To set drug pricing regulations. Answer. C. To assess the drug's safety and efficacy data. Question 1150. Which information is included in the chemistry, manufacturing, and control (CMC) data of the drug registration dossier? A. Marketing plan. B. Clinical trial results. C. Drugs composition and manufacturing process. D. Preclinical data. Answer. C. Drugs composition and manufacturing process. Question 1151. Which organization is responsible for regulating pharmaceutical products in Pakistan? A. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association (PPMA). D. World Health Organization (WHO). Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1152. What is the primary purpose of DRAP? A. Promoting herbal medicines. B. Regulating clinical trials. C. Ensuring food safety. D. Regulating pharmaceutical products. Answer. D. Regulating pharmaceutical products. Question 1153. Which act governs the registration, licensing, and pricing of drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Control Ordinance 1965. B. Drug Regulatory Act 2012. C. Drug Administration Rules 1976. D. Drug Registration Act 1986. Answer. A. Drug Control Ordinance 1965. Question 1154. How often is the national drug policy updated in Pakistan? A. Annually. B. Every 2 years. C. Every 5 years. D. Every 10 years. Answer. C. Every 5 years. Question 1155. What is the primary purpose of the Essential Drug List (EDL) in Pakistan? A. Ensuring availability of all drugs in the market. B. Regulating the prices of essential drugs. C. Listing drugs with potential side effects. D. Ensuring access to essential and cost-effective drugs. Answer. D. Ensuring access to essential and cost-effective drugs. Question 1156. Which authority is responsible for approving clinical trials of pharmaceutical products in Pakistan? A. Pakistan Medical Commission (PMC). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. Pakistan Council of Scientific and Industrial Research PCSIR. D. Ministry of Health MO. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1157. Under the drug pricing policy, what factors are considered when determining the price of a drug? A. Production cost and demand. B. Brand popularity and marketing expenses. C. Active ingredients and manufacturing cost. D. Import taxes and shipping fees. Answer. C. Active ingredients and manufacturing cost. Question 1158. In Pakistan, pharmaceutical advertisements are regulated by A. Pakistan Advertising Association PAA. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. D. Pakistan Medical Commission PMC. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1159. What is the role of the drug testing laboratory in Pakistan? A. Conducting clinical trials. B. Inspecting manufacturing facilities. C. Testing and analyzing drug samples for quality control. D. Approving drug import licenses. Answer. C. Testing and analyzing drug samples for quality control. Question 1160. Which committee is responsible for granting marketing authorization to new drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Pricing Committee. B. Drug Registration Board. C. Central Registration Board. D. Drug Evaluation Board. Answer. D. Drug Evaluation Board. Question 1161. Which document is required for the import of a new drug into Pakistan? A. Import Declaration Certificate IDC. B. Import License for Pharmaceuticals ILP. C. Import Drug Registration IDR. D. Import Approval Letter IAL. Answer. C. Import Drug Registration IDR. Question 1162. The post-marketing surveillance of pharmaceutical products is conducted to A. Evaluate the effectiveness of drug advertisements. B. Monitor adverse drug reactions and drug safety. C. Inspect drug manufacturing facilities. D. Assess drug pricing policies. Answer. B. Monitor adverse drug reactions and drug safety. Question 1163. Which organization is responsible for setting standards for drug manufacturing practices in Pakistan? A. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Association PPMA. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. Pakistan Standard and Quality Control Authority PSQCA. D. World Health Organization WHO. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1164. The process of obtaining approval for a generic drug that is equivalent to an already registered branded drug is called a New Drug Application NDA. B. Abbreviated New Drug Application ANDA. C. Generic Drug Registration GDR. D. Drug Equivalency Application DIA. Answer. B. Abbreviated New Drug Application ANDA. Question 1165. Which act addresses the issue of counterfeit drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Regulatory Act 2012. B. Counterfeit Drug Control Act 2016. C. Drug Control Ordinance 1965. D. Counterfeit Medicine Act 2007. Answer. D. Counterfeit Medicine Act 2007. Question 1165. What is the primary objective of Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Improving drug packaging. B. Reducing production costs. C. Ensuring drug safety and quality. D. Increasing manufacturing efficiency. Answer. C. Ensuring drug safety and quality. Question 1166. The DRAP is affiliated with which ministry of the government of Pakistan? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Health. C. Ministry of Commerce. D. Ministry of Finance. Answer. B. Ministry of Health. Question 1167. Which committee is responsible for determining the maximum retail prices of drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Pricing Committee. B. Drug Registration Board. C. Maximum Retail Price Committee. D. Price Control Committee. Answer. A. Drug Pricing Committee. Question 1168. The issuance of a drug manufacturing license is based on compliance with A. Good Laboratory Practices (GLP). B. Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). C. Good Clinical Practices (GCP). D. Good Distribution Practices (GDP). Answer. B. Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). Question 1169. Which authority is responsible for regulating the sale and distribution of over-the-counter OTC drugs in Pakistan? A. Pakistan Medical Commission (PMC). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC). D. Pakistan Pharmacy Council (PPC). Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1170. The drug recall system in Pakistan is designed to A. Monitor drug prices and control inflation. B. Ensure that drugs are properly distributed to pharmacies. C. Recall defective or unsafe drugs from the market. D. Track the expiration dates of drugs. Answer. C. Recall defective or unsafe drugs from the market. Question 1172. Which document allows the import of a small quantity of a drug for personal use in Pakistan? A. Personal Use Drug Import License (PUDL). B. Import for Personal Use Declaration (IPUD). C. Personal Import License (PIL). D. Import License for Personal Medications (ILPM). Answer. C. Personal Import License (PIL). Question 1173. Which organization in Pakistan is responsible for regulating pharmaceutical products? A. Ministry of Health. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC). D. Pakistan Pharmacy Council (PPC). Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1174. What does DRAP stand for? A. Directorate of Regulatory and Pharmaceutical Affairs Pakistan. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. C. Department of Regulatory Affairs Pakistan. D. Drug Registration and Approval Program. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1175. The Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) was established in which year? A. 2005. B. 2012. C. 2010. D. 2011. Answer. D. 2011. Question 1176. Which law governs the import, export, manufacturing, and sale of drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Act 1976. B. Pharmaceutical Regulation Law of Pakistan. C. Medicine Control Act 1982. D. Pharmacy and Drug Control Act. Answer. A. Drug Act 1976. Question 1177. The primary objective of DRAP is to A. Control drug prices in the country. B. Ensure the availability of essential drugs. C. Promote traditional medicine. D. Regulate the healthcare workforce. Answer. B. Ensure the availability of essential drugs. Question 1178. What is the role of DRAP in clinical trials for new drugs in Pakistan? A. DRAP conducts all clinical trials in its own facility. B. DRAP approves clinical trials before they can begin. C. DRAP provides medical practitioners for clinical trials. D. DRAP promotes herbal remedies over new drugs. Answer. B. DRAP approves clinical trials before they can begin. Question 1179. Which division of DRAP is responsible for inspecting pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities? A. Drug Registration Division. B. Drug Testing and Analysis Division. C. Drug Licensing and Certification Division. D. Drug Inspection and Quality Control Division. Answer. D. Drug Inspection and Quality Control Division. Question 1180. What does the abbreviation, OTC, stand for in the context of pharmaceuticals? A. Over-the-counter. B. On the targeted control. C. Order to cure. D. Outpatient treatment center. Answer. A. Over-the-counter. Question 1181. In Pakistan, which category of drugs can be sold without a prescription? A. Prescription-only drugs. B. Over-the-counter drugs. C. Controlled substances. D. Investigational drugs. Answer. B. Over-the-counter drugs. Question 1182. What is the maximum validity period for a drug manufacturing license in Pakistan? A. 2 years. B. 5 years. C. 10 years. D. 15 years. Answer. B. 5 years. Question 1183. Which department of DRAP is responsible for regulating medical devices? A. Drug Registration Division. B. Medical Devices and Equipment Division. C. Medical Devices Evaluation Committee. D. Medical Devices and Clinical Trials Division. Answer. B. Medical Devices and Equipment Division. Question 1184. How often should pharmaceutical companies renew their drug registration in Pakistan? A. Every year. B. Every 2 years. C. Every 5 years. D. Every 10 years. Answer. C. Every 5 years. Question 1185. What is the purpose of the Central Licensing Board (CLB) in DRAP? A. To issue import licenses for pharmaceutical products. B. To regulate drug prices in the country. C. To grant and renew licenses to drug manufacturers. D. To promote traditional medicine practices. Answer. C. To grant and renew licenses to drug manufacturers. Question 1186. The National Essential Medicine List (NEML) of Pakistan includes A. All available drugs in the country. B. Drugs used only in hospitals. C. Drugs that meet the priority healthcare needs of the population. D. Only herbal and traditional medicines. Answer. C. Drugs that meet the priority healthcare needs of the population. Question 1187. Which organization assists DRAP in the pricing of drugs in Pakistan? A. Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association. B. Pakistan Medical Association (PMA). C. Drug Pricing Committee. D. World Health Organization (WHO). Answer. C. Drug Pricing Committee. Question 1188. The process of evaluating the safety and efficacy of drugs before they are approved for use is known as A. Drug registration. B. Drug inspection. C. Drug testing. D. Clinical trials. Answer. D. Clinical trials. Question 1189. What is the purpose of the pharmacovigilance cell in DRAP? A. To regulate the prices of pharmaceutical products. B. To monitor the safety of drugs and report adverse effects. C. To promote the export of locally manufactured drugs. D. To conduct clinical trials for new drugs. Answer. B. To monitor the safety of drugs and report adverse effects. Question 1190. In Pakistan, the maximum penalty for selling counterfeit drugs is A. Fine only. B. Imprisonment only. C. Fine and imprisonment. D. Suspension of drug license. Answer. C. Fine and imprisonment. Question 1191. Which of the following is a responsibility of a drug inspector? A. Clinical testing of drugs. B. Issuing drug licenses to manufacturers. C. Monitoring the quality of drugs in the market. D. Setting drug prices. Answer. C. Monitoring the quality of drugs in the market. Question 1192. The Pakistan Pharmacopoeia is A regulatory body for pharmacies in Pakistan. B. A book containing standards for drugs and pharmaceuticals. C. A government agency responsible for drug exports. D. A committee responsible for drug registration. Answer. B. A book containing standards for drugs and pharmaceuticals. Question 1193. The term, Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, refers to A. Guidelines for drug pricing. B. Standards for the manufacturing and testing of pharmaceutical products. C. Guidelines for clinical trials. D. Protocols for drug import and export. Answer. B. Standards for the manufacturing and testing of pharmaceutical products. Question 1194. What does the abbreviation, NDMA, stand for in the context of healthcare regulations in Pakistan? A. National Drug Monitoring Agency. B. National Drug Management Authority. C. National Disaster Management Authority. D. National Drug Manufacturing Association. Answer. C. National Disaster Management Authority. Question 1195. The Code of Ethics in Pharmaceuticals refers to A. Guidelines for the promotion and marketing of drugs. B. Standards for drug manufacturing facilities. C. Protocols for clinical trials. D. Guidelines for drug import and export. Answer. A. Guidelines for the promotion and marketing of drugs. Question 1196. Which organization in Pakistan is responsible for regulating pharmaceuticals and medical devices? A. WHO. B. CDC. C. DRAP. D. UNICEF. Answer. C. DRAP. Question 1197. What does DRAP stand for? A. Drug Regulatory Agency of Pakistan. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. C. Department of Regulatory Affairs and Pharmaceuticals. D. Department of Research and Analysis on Pharmaceuticals. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1198. Which law governs the registration and regulation of drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Control Act. B. Medicines Act. C. Drug Act of Pakistan. D. Drugs Act, 1976. Answer. D. Drugs Act, 1976. Question 1199. What is the purpose of the National Drug Policy of Pakistan? A. To ensure the availability of essential medicines at affordable prices. B. To promote herbal and traditional medicines. C. To encourage the import of foreign drugs. D. To regulate the sale of over-the-counter drugs. Answer. A. To ensure the availability of essential medicines at affordable prices. Question 1200. Which category of drugs requires a prescription from a registered medical practitioner for dispensing? A. Over-the-counter drugs. B. Generic drugs. C. Prescription-only drugs. D. Controlled substances. Answer. C. Prescription-only drugs. Question 1201. What does the term pharmacovigilance refer to in healthcare regulations? A. The study of pharmacology. B. The regulation of medical devices. C. The monitoring and reporting of adverse drug reactions. D. The process of drug manufacturing. Answer: C. The monitoring and reporting of adverse drug reactions. Question 1202. Who is responsible for issuing licenses to pharmaceutical companies to manufacture drugs in Pakistan? A. Ministry of Health. B. Ministry of Industries. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. World Health Organization (WHO). Answer: C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1203. Which entity in Pakistan is responsible for setting the maximum retail prices of drugs? A. Pharmaceutical companies. B. Ministry of Commerce. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. Pakistan Medical Association (PMA). Answer: C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1204. In the context of healthcare regulations, what does GMP stand for? A. Good marketing practices. B. General medical protocol. C. Good manufacturing practices. D. Global medical procedures. Answer: C. Good manufacturing practices. Question 1205. Which organization provides technical assistance and support to DRAP in pharmaceutical regulation matters? A. United Nations. B. World Health Organization (WHO). C. World Trade Organization (WTO). D. International Monetary Fund (IMF). Answer: B. World Health Organization (WHO). Question 1206. Which document outlines the guidelines for conducting clinical trials in Pakistan? A. Pakistan Medical Research Council (PMRC) Guidelines. B. Clinical Trials Act, 2020. C. National Ethical Guidelines for Biomedical and Health Research involving human participants. D. Healthcare Research and Trials Regulations, 2018. Answer: C. National Ethical Guidelines for Biomedical and Health Research involving human participants. Question 1207. Under the law, how long is the data exclusivity period for pharmaceutical products in Pakistan? A. 5 years. B. 7 years. C. 10 years. D. 12 years. Answer: B. 7 years. Question 1208. What is the primary objective of the drug pricing policy in Pakistan? A. To encourage pharmaceutical exports. B. To regulate drug import and export. C. To control the prices of essential drugs. D. To promote the local manufacturing of drugs. Answer: C. To control the prices of essential drugs. Question 1209. In Pakistan, which body is responsible for the accreditation of medical and dental colleges? A. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC). B. Ministry of Health. C. Pakistan Medical Research Council (PMRC). D. College Accreditation Commission of Pakistan (CACP). Answer: A. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC). Question 1210. Which law governs the import, export, and trade of medical devices in Pakistan? A. Medical Devices Act. B. Medical Devices Control Ordinance. C. Medical Devices Regulations, 2017. D. Medical Devices Import-Export Act. Answer: C. Medical Devices Regulations, 2017. Question 1211. What is the role of the Central Licensing Board (CLB) in healthcare regulations? To regulate the licensing of medical practitioners. B. To oversee the manufacturing of medical devices. C. To issue licenses to pharmaceutical companies. D. To manage medical waste disposal. Answer. To regulate the licensing of medical practitioners. Question 1212. Which organization in Pakistan is responsible for coordinating emergency responses to public health threats? A. National Institute of Health (NIH). B. Pakistan Medical Association (PMA). C. Pakistan Emergency Health Authority (PEHA). D. Ministry of Health. Answer. A. National Institute of Health (NIH). Question 1213. According to the Drug Act of 1976, which schedule includes drugs that are required to be stored in a pharmacy? A. Schedule 1. B. Schedule 2. C. Schedule 3. D. Schedule 4. Answer. D. Schedule 4. Question 1214. What does the Code of Conduct for Pharmaceutical Companies aim to achieve? A. Encourage unethical marketing practices. B. Ensure transparency and ethical behavior in the pharmaceutical industry. C. Regulate the pricing of pharmaceutical products. D. Limit the availability of essential drugs. Answer. B. Ensure transparency and ethical behavior in the pharmaceutical industry. Question 1215. What is the primary purpose of the National Essential Medicine List, NEML? A. To list all the drugs imported into Pakistan. B. To prioritize essential medicines for procurement and distribution. C. To regulate the pricing of pharmaceutical products. D. To promote the use of patented medicines. Answer. B. To prioritize essential medicines for procurement and distribution. Question 1216. What does the Healthcare Commission in Pakistan oversee? A. Accreditation of healthcare facilities. B. Pharmaceutical drug manufacturing. C. Import and export of medical devices. D. Pharmaceutical marketing and sales. Answer. A. Accreditation of healthcare facilities. Question 1217. Which law governs the advertising and promotion of drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Control Act. B. Drug Marketing and Promotion Act. C. Drug Act of Pakistan. D. Drugs Labeling and Packaging Rules. Answer. D. Drugs Labeling and Packaging Rules. Question 1218. What does the medical abbreviation, BP, stand for? A. Breathing pattern. B. Blood pressure. C. Body pulse. D. Blood protein. Correct answer. B. Question 1219. What does CNS refer to in medical terminology? A. Central nervous system. B. Cardiovascular system. C. Common nasal sinus. D. Cranial nodal stimulation. Correct answer. A. Question 1220. The suffix itis in medical terminology typically denotes A. Inflammation. B. Pain. C. Infection. D. Tumor. Correct answer. A. Question 1221. What is the medical term for the voice box? A. Pharynx. B. Trachea. C. Larynx. D. Bronchus. Correct answer. C. Question 1222. Which of the following is not a type of blood cell? A. Leukocyte. B. Thrombocyte. C. Erythrocyte. D. Lipocyte. Correct answer. D. Question 1223. What does the abbreviation NPO mean in medical terms? A. No pain occurring. B. Non-protein only. C. Nothing by mouth. D. Not a prenatal occurrence. Correct answer. C. Question 1224. What is the medical term for high blood sugar? A. Hyperglycemia. B. Hypoglycemia. C. Hyperinsulinism. D. Hypertension. Correct answer, A. Question 1225. What does MRI stand for in medical imaging? A. Medical radiology imaging. B. Magnetic resonance imaging. C. Musculoskeletal radiograph inspection. D. Monitored radioactive isotope. Correct answer, B. Question 1226. The abbreviation CPR stands for A. Cardiovascular pulmonary resuscitation. B. Continuous physical rehabilitation. C. Controlled pain relief. D. Cervical positioning restraint. Correct answer, A. Question 1227. Which organ produces insulin in the human body? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidneys. D. Spleen. Correct answer, B. Question 1228. The medical condition, myopia, refers to A. Nearsightedness. B. Farsightedness. C. Color blindness. D. Astigmatism. Correct answer, A. Question 1229. What does the prefix hypo mean in medical terminology? A. Above. B. Below. C. Rapid. D. Slow. Correct answer, B. Question 1230. The medical term for the shoulder blade is A. Humerus. B. Scapula. C. Clavicle. D. Sternum. Correct answer, B. Question 1231. What does the abbreviation UTI stand for in medical terms? A. Urinary tract infection. B. Upper thoracic inflammation. C. Underlying thyroid issue. D. Upper tissue irritation. Correct answer, A. Question 1232. What is the normal range of human body temperature in degrees Celsius? A. 34.2 degrees Celsius, 35.8 degrees Celsius. B. 36.5 degrees Celsius, 37.5 degrees Celsius. C. 38.0 degrees Celsius, 39.5 degrees Celsius. D. 40.0 degrees Celsius, 41.5 degrees Celsius. Correct answer, B. Question 1233. Which of the following is not a symptom of a heart attack? A. Chest pain. B. Shortness of breath. C. Excessive thirst. D. Pain radiating to the left arm. Correct answer, C. Question 1234. The medical term, rhinoplasty, refers to surgery on the A. Ears. B. Nose. C. Eyes. D. Chin. Correct answer, B. Question 1235. What is the medical term for swallowing? A. Dysphagia. B. Dyspnea. C. Dysuria. D. Dysarthria. Correct answer, A. Question 1236. What does the medical abbreviation EMT stand for? A. Emergency medical technician. B. Electronic medical treatment. C. Extracorporeal membrane therapy. D. Enteral medication transfusion. Correct answer, A. Question 1237. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebellum. B. Cerebrum. C. Thalamus. D. Hypothalamus. Correct answer, A. Question 1238. What does PID stand for in women's health? A. Pelvic inflammatory disease. B. Premenstrual irritation disorder. C. Postpartum infection diagnosis. D. Polycystic ovary disorder. Correct answer, A. Question 1239. The medical term for abnormal